Hi everyone, this video is about wildcard routes. So wildcard routes are used to handle non-matching routes. For example, if the user tries to access a route like any random page, okay, so which is not defined. So a 404 page not found component should be shown, okay, and this should be always be the last route in the array to avoid accidental matches. Okay, so let's discuss it with code. So currently we have three routes. One is the root, that is home component. One is about, and another one is contact. And when we go to the contact route, it will go to the contact component. Okay, let's see it. Okay, so here it is showing home works. It is showing home component at the root URL. When it goes to about, it is showing about page. And when it is going to contact, it is showing contact component. Okay, so now accidentally the user is trying to, he has placed like different spelling of contact. Okay, so nothing is showing in the UI. So in that case, that should be an example of wildcard route. Okay, means there is no route like any random page. There is no route like any random page which is not defined. Okay, so in that case, instead of showing blank UI, the user should be shown page not found component. Any component should be shown on the UI. Okay, so let's create that component. Page found. Let's create this component. So this component is created, page not found component is created. And the syntax for page not found is path should be, and it should be the last. We should mention it in the last because to avoid accidental matches. We should always place it in the end of all the routes. And its syntax is double asterisk and that component as page not found. Okay, so now in the page not found component we need to add module here, and the module is router module. Import router module because we will place a router link there. When it will go to the wild route like any mismatch route, then there should be a link in that UI to go to the login page or home page. For that we will place router module. Okay, and what we will do in the UI, currently it is showing page not found works. So let's run it first. Then we will create a meaningful page for the page not found component. Okay, so let's suppose we enter any mismatch route. Okay, so page not found component is called on the UI. Currently it is showing page not found works. So let's create that UI for page not found. So here remove it and let's make heading 404 page not found. and let's create a paragraph. The page you are looking does not exist. Okay, and now let's place a router link here. Okay, go back to home. Okay, go back to home page. Here we will place router link. To slash. Okay, so let's check it in the UI how it looks. Okay, so we have placed the incorrect spelling of about. Okay, so this URL does not exist, so it is showing as page not found. The page you are looking does not exist, and when we click on go back to home page, it is showing home page. Okay, just as we mentioned it here in the router link. Okay, so this is the concept of wildcard routes in Angular.